It's almost 8 at night. The teeth are brushed, the pajamas are on, and your little one looks up and asks, "Mama, why do we pray?" And there you are, holding a beautiful picture book about bunnies and cupcakes. Lovely, but not quite the moment you were hoping for. If you've ever stood in front of a bookshelf wishing for stories that hold both the wonder of childhood and the warmth of your faith, you are not alone. The world of Islamic children's books has grown so much that sometimes finding the right one feels almost harder than not finding one at all. Here's what I've learned. Match the book to the age, not the lesson. Babies need rhythm and repetition. Toddlers need warmth and one simple idea, like saying Bismillah before something scary. Older kids, the 4, 5, 6-year-olds, they want stories. Real stories with characters they can love. And here's the quiet secret. The best Islamic books aren't lectures with pictures. They're stories first. Faith woven in gently, the way it lives in your own home. On the bed. On the rug. In that soft pocket of the day, right before sleep. That's exactly why we created the Noor and Friends series at Pibblio. Little characters whispering Bismillah, learning the names of Allah, asking the same big questions your own child asks at bedtime. So when your 4-year-old looks up and says, "But why do we pray?" you have a story already in your hands. Your child is building their inner world out of the stories you slow down for. Visit pibblio.com and find a story worth slowing down for tonight.